temporal headaches, which can be a huge pain in the sides of our head coming through here. So I want you to try these 2 moves to help reduce the tension coming strictly from here. All right. Now, what's going to happen is we're going to start off with doing a massage coming from the side of our head right in front of the ear, and we're going to push everything back. Small circles going forward. Going back to the ear. Doing that 4 to 6 times as you need to help reduce that tension. Lastly, what I want you to do is we're going to find a tender point within the muscles within the muscle. So what we're going to do, we're going to look up towards the ceiling, look over to our opposite shoulder, and then we are going to find right up here at the base of, you're going to feel a muscle attachment. Then what we're going to do is do a downward massage, opening up those restrictions. Same thing all the way down towards your clavicle, which is right near where your collar should attach. Okay, so give those stretches a try. It's helped thousands of patients going forward to help reduce those temporal headaches. See you soon.